Hi, good day again everyone, and welcome to another toy unboxing and review. And today we're going to take a closer look at this Hot Wheels screen time car, and this is from the Simpsons series. So this came from the end case. And it has a cool art with Homer Simpson and the pink car. So the Hot Wheels screen time had 10 cars, and this is the 9th car in this series. So it has Matt Groening's name in the art, so that's a cool touch from Hot Wheels. So let's crack this open, and there's the Simpsons car. Pretty cool looking car. It has the vintage look, and I like the paint job. It's like a candy pink paint. The interior has a cool touch because it is brown. Suits well with the classic look of this car. The steering wheel is, of course, like most Hot Wheels, is a solid circle. The base is chrome, but it is plastic. Still a pretty neat effect. So it has the Simpsons family car logo on the base, and this is a 2014 cast. Rather neat looking car from the Hot Wheels screen time series. I like the 5-spoke vintage rims on this car. The front has headlight and the grille details. I like the chrome bumper. The back also has tampos. It has the Hot Wheels logo there, and the rear light is painted. A really neat touch in the car. So that's it for the unboxing and review of the Hot Wheels screen time Simpsons car. Really awesome looking car. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification icon below. And once again, thank you again for watching. Keep on collecting, guys. Bye.